Hey guys, welcome to One Punch Algo channel. Today I'm gonna show how I traded halted stocks on volume spike. So in our Discord channel, here are a couple of videos that I'm going to publish, and then one member requests a couple of other videos as well. So this video is gonna be how to trade halted stocks on volume spike. We have these alerts. So under this category, we have a couple of alerts that we are receiving: breakout on news alerts, and then QQQ tracker, stocks halts, and then unusual volume alerts, and then 1 million reach volume alert. So this video, I will show how I traded MLGO. So MLGO, let's jump to the alert. Right at February 21, Friday, 12:18, we received the alert saying this stock is halted. And again, at 12:28, it was resumed. So when we put MLGO without any indicators or nothing, like no one punch algo, scalper, MACD, VWAP or anything, you will see something like that, right? It's kind of like a naked or vanilla chart. So I'm not sure where to get in. Don't know what are the support and resistance levels, and it's going to be hard if you don't have other helping indicators. If I don't have other helping indicators, so let me show you the ones that I use. There are a couple of optional ones, but that's just for you. But here, so this is about how to trade altered stocks on volume spikes. I will put it there, and then halted alert, halt alerted around here, which is 12:18. This does show that this below here, this number is showing 12:16. That means in TradingView, the opening is what they show on the bottom, so the ending is 12:80. So you have to understand that. So we put the halt alerted position there. I would always mark that, because in the future, for different alerts, you need the halted bar to understand what is the the highest and lowest. So I was in 2 minute candle. Normally I do trade with 2 minutes, but if the candle that I receive the alert is more than 20%, then I go to 1 minute. And then if I have a couple of more than 20%, I try to check 30 seconds and 50 seconds as well. It depends on my strategy where I want to scalp, right? All right, so here I do have the VWAP activated. You don't need that. You only need a couple of conditions to meet: MACD, MACD, and then OPAM scalper, which is one punch algo scalper that I have and given for the Discord users. And then fib levels needs to be drawn properly. And then, like I said, VWAP is optional. So let me remove VWAP, but I will also show how the VWAP's being respected here. All right, so I removed the VWAP here. So the resume happened right at 28, end of this candle. Yeah, so that's when we got the alert for the resume at 12:28. All right, so that you draw that as well. Now, this indicator is fib retracement, which is a free indicator that you can pick here, this area. You click that one, and this is the indicator you need, fib retracement, and you just click it, and then you just draw it like that. When you first using this. They have a different numbers that you want to use for the fib. I have shared it in my Discord. So if you are new to my channel, please join my Discord. I will have the link in the description. And if you cannot find the details for the fib, just send me a message and I will show you. All right. So you draw like that. And now in fib, there are a couple of support line areas, 38%, 50%, and 65 and 61. This is the golden area. And any time when they bounce off these areas, you need a couple of conditions to be filled. So in this case, if it is bouncing off of the 65, I only gonna check scalper, which is the one punch algo scalper that I'm using. So if it is bouncing off of 50, oops, it is bouncing off of 50, then I'm gonna use these conditions. And if it is bouncing off of 38, you can activate VWAP as well to make sure the condition, all conditions match. If all these conditions match, that's only I get in if it is on 38. If all the conditions are matched on the 50, then only I will get in with these are ticked. All right. So I hope you understood that. So make sure to write it down and put like a condition table like this. In the future, I will create an indicator I can add on for the scalper where you will get this condition table on the right corner in this area on default, but not this couple of weeks. I have a couple of videos to make, and then once I'm done, then I will create this conditional chart so everyone can automatically have it on the site. It will also help me a lot as well. This is like a mind cap that I want to have. All right. So I did create a replay of my trade, which I made 30% here on the hold. Let's go here again. All right. So let me play. Before playing MACD, also I want to explain MACD. So MACD, this dark green is it basically says that the momentum is volume, momentum, price all moving up. So I need to see the dark green. That's what it means by green here. And then the scalper. Let me have this scalper here. Let me activate it. If you are new to just this channel, if you don't have the One Punch Algo scalper, join the Discord and request the scalper by sending me a direct message. After joining, my name is Master Saitama in the Discord, so just contact me. I love the anime, so that's why everything I use represent that anime name. All right. Now you can see here you have a couple of indicators and it guides you. It gives me guidelines. It shows me areas that I want to get in and get out. So in One Punch Algo, you can see trending down means it is probably going to go down. And then again, if you see trending ups or uptrends, bottoms or reversals means going up. All these signals represent a meaning, which I will create a separate video about. But in this case, uptrend is basically comes with these yellow bars. These yellow bars. These yellow bars are basically high momentum indicators. And then uptrend signal basically confirms it. And then if you see white candles, these ones basically means very bearish in that area, and then if followed by bottom hit or reversal after a couple of white candles, that represents that it probably going to reverse. And when white trends are activated, extreme downtrend signals are given. And you can also see bearish to pick the bearish trends before extreme happen. So there are a couple of strategies that you can use with these kind of signals. If you don't want these signals, extra signals, you can basically shut them off on the settings of the scalper. All right, so let's see what's going on here. All right, so let me play the replay and then let's watch for these conditions to match. So to 50, it's bouncing off of 50. That's nice. That looks good. If I had like a limit buy, I'm already up like 20%, 19%, right? It could probably go and hit here, which will get me about 29%. But nothing confirms my conditions. Right now, there's nothing. No signals. Only fibs levels are getting hit and bounce. No MACDs, no scalpers. Let's see if it. Oh, let me lock it now. Yeah, it doesn't move now. All right. If you want, let me put the VWAP as well, just to like see how it respects the VWAP areas as well. All right. You can basically add the VWAP on the technicals indicators, which is a free indicator. VWAP means volume weighted average price, so that's there. All right, so you can see VWAP also getting respected on a couple of areas this year, one, and then breaking out of the upper VWAP line, then it started to go. So that's another ways if someone wants to play and see if these respected on all the halted news alerts, then try it out and figure out if that's the case. But for me, I need these three things to be respected. All right, let's see. I'm still waiting. So as you can see, I have waited since the alert resumed. Since the stock was resumed, I have waited about 26 minutes so far. I think I waited about 30, 40 minutes here on this trade alone. And let's see. So you have to like be patiently wait and see what's going on. The best part of it, if you don't have time to wait, you can create alerts on these things getting hit, and the alert goes to your app, TradingView app, or an email. Basically, you create. Where's the thing here? Move line labels data plus button. Yeah, you can tag that one here. Now, so you see, I right click it and then I added the plus button, which is this one here, and then now you can create an alert every time if it hit 50 fib. Get me an alert. What's going on there? Oh, okay. Actually, that's just to draw it. So let's do the alert thing. Oh, that's why I'm in the replay, so it doesn't allow me to do it. So in the real uh, real-time trading, it will allow me to add the alerts. I will show it after. All right. You could put alerts here and 38 as well, that receives every time you touch and cross over, then you get an notification or something like that. So just then you don't have to like wait and watch a thread. Or even you can get alert to like notify with the sound in the threading view in your desktop. All right, so let's go. All right, let me fast forward a little bit. Okay, now it's touching 38. I'm okay if it touch here, if it touch there and bounce. It's also touching the VWAP and getting respected. Every time it touch VWAP, it's going up. So that's another way that you can check the level 2 data as well to confirm this area. So again, touching the 38 and VWAP. So at this point, there there are a lot of indicators. Also, MACD also like starting to go upwards. So from my mind, I know something is going to happen soon. Some indicator, basically MACD will turn green if it continue to go up. Then scalper, I'm waiting for the scalper, OPAM scalper to show me a signal. Fib already bounced a couple of times, so I'm good with that. And VWAPs are also getting bounced. So this one met, this one is met a couple of times. This is about to meet, and this is about to meet. So let's see. Yeah. So it did when it passed somewhere here, the trending up alert will be given. And so not actually here, but it should be somewhere here. So my stop loss is going to be under the fib, and then take profit is somewhere here. There, that's when the take profit was hit. So for the whole trade, let's go for another 3 minutes. So it will confirm the theory and the other side as well. So the first thing I did had the take profit, right? Because I had the take profit there, I gain about, I think from here to here, 30 something, right? So it was about 30% on that sale. But as you can see, after that, you got the trending down. You also got light green on the MACD, and the VWAP stretch about 2 point, and actually 32% from the VWAP as well. So that's a huge stretch. And if you didn't have the take profit, you may be selling around 20% because trending down came down as well. Trending down signal was here as well. So one punch, even if you didn't buy at trending up, there was uptrends a couple of times. That also gonna get you like 10%. So multiple areas that you could have basically made profit. And if the VWAP hit around 50 and then breakout, if you trade that, it's 20, and then there are multiple areas again which went down 5 and then hit 14, then it's about 34% as well. That's another way that you can do it. But my way, I had it like that. and it was, for me, it was a perfect entry and exit. And now you can see the more it was sent, it went down, and then MACD also become red, um, and then these things are showing that it will be a downtrend. All right, so that's how you trade holder stocks. You draw, you have the MACD condition, you have the PAM scalpers, you have the fibs, and optionally you can have VWAP. So in this area again, trade with MACD and actually only with the scalper is fine, bouncing off of here. This one MACD and scalper, and then this area you can have everything else if you want. Yeah, so thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna publish all these videos that my followers are requesting. Yeah, if you have any questions or if you need a couple of videos as well, just publish here. It's open for everyone, and join my Discord channel. It's free for 3 months to receive all these alerts. And then Scalper is also free for 30 days. And by the time it is expiring, if you couldn't figure out how to trade with Scalper and you need more time, just send me a DM and I will add another 1 month. All right. Thank you very much.